Peppa, what are you doing with Coco's lead on top of the roof? Darn. Come on. Bring it back. Good boy. Coco, Peppa's got your lead on the roof. You want to go walkies? Yeah? You want to go walkies? And Peppa's got your lead on the roof. Peppa, can I have this lead, please?